Hello guys, and welcome back to my videos series, our RHCE exam. We show you first that I organize my videos on the playlist, so now it's easy to find a topic related with the exam. For example, if you're looking something for RHCSA, you can go here, the live meeting, the lab, and also the random questions and practice exams and general topics. So, but for RHCE, you can see now the live meeting. Also, we have a general topics, and this video gonna be here on general topics. So, okay, go back to the business. Today we'll continue with HTTP, HTTPS. We saw before the how to configure a virtual host. Also, we see how to configure access restriction on directories. And today we are going to see how to deploy a basic CGI application. Okay, so let's just go start and make a recap very quick. Here we can see we create a virtual host and the private host. This one is the default ones, or pretty much the first virtual host that we built. As you see here, that's a default. So any access that you try to get in the browser, if those do not match any virtual host, it's going to load the default virtual host. Okay, so you will see this on now. Okay, I on the configuration file for the virtual host. So on the right side you can see all the nodes. So but I will try to explain you how to do without copy and paste, because probably you see, oh, you have all your nodes and you are cheating on the video, but I will show you how to do without see this nodes. Okay. On the Sun, they are going to provide you the CGI. Okay, it's gonna be a Pro or any CGI script. So let's start. I'm going to create a virtual host. I'm gonna call like a 03-cgi.conf. It's very good, and do not put all the virtual hosts on the same conf file. I did it before, but in the future, until now, I'm going to do on different files. So now let's start. Let's bring some templates, examples. So I'm going to do this card. I say user share doc HTTP. HTTP is a virtual host. Okay, I bring that. So in that case, you don't need to remember each and every line. You just go here and you can figure out. Okay, on this exercise, I'm going to put this CGI to listen on different port, like 3388. Okay, so I'm going to replace here 3388. Right now, I'm going to do some very quick search and replace, like Domain host. I'm going to replace with CGI and global. There we go. Now these lines, I'm going to delete it. I don't need it now. Okay, we have this. We have a CGI. Oh, the document root. I will set as document root the bar as say on the template here. ... and web app. This is gonna be my document root for the CGI application. Okay. Also, I want to show you that on my host file, we have a CGI. Okay. Okay, in that case, every time that I ping like a spin cgi.sample.com, it's gonna return my IP address, because I don't put this on the DNS. I just put on my local host file. Okay, everything else need to change. Okay, we have a script, right? But to insert, I'm going to see like a script alias slash, and you want to say it's going to be on bar web app, and the name of the script is going to be say hello.pl. Okay, how do I know this? Easy. You go back to the documentation page, right? Let me delete a little bit. Manual, localhost manual. You go to CGI, and now you can see the script alias how it looks like. See? Also, there are another thing that you need to add, the directory. See? That directory, the directory entry or block, whatever you want to call. In that case, I just go back here. Okay, this first block is fine. Now I'm going to easy. I just open a new terminal. I just cut the RHCE HTTPD. If you don't remember, it's very easy to find the right config. And now I'm going to scroll a bit up, and now I'm going to find something like this. Copy, and now I'm going to insert. I'm going to change the bar gonna be on web app, right? That's it, no more. Some documentation, as you see here, say that you need to add this option on X on the directory. On my case, I don't go to add nothing, just for the demonstration. If something failed, you know how to fix it now. I'm going to delete it, and pretty much this is everything that you need for the new CGI application on the virtual host. We'll double check everything is spelled right. Okay, let me right and quick. I'm now going to cut the file to make sure. Okay, we need to create this directory, web app. Okay, make dir, right? Is on bar web app. I'm going to bring a file to create the hello.pl. Say hello, hello.pl. This file on the SAM, they provide you this script. You need to download from the server, so you don't need to write any Perl script on the SAM. It's just an example. Okay, right and quick. And now another important thing, after you download the script, you need to give the execute permission on the file for everyone. So it's chmod all plus X, and you can see now the script is executable by everyone. Okay. Another thing that you need to take care, let's read the port. I listen on different port, so you can check, for example, cmanage port -L grep for HTTP, and you can see it's not listening on port 3388, but if you see it's listening on 2280 that I did before, so it's gonna be the same command like a cmanage port -A to A -T is the type HTTP underscore port, you can see there -T -P, specifying the port name is a TCP, right? 3388. Enter. If you make a typo doing this one, it's gonna prompt you this type or this context do not exist, so you need to verify. Okay, now I'm going to double check, and now Apache is listening on 3388. I don't going to open this port on the firewall because I'm using the local host only, but keep this on mind, please. Okay, let's see now what else. Let's cut the file, right, to make sure 03. Let's check now this one. It's a CGI. The CGI, you see here, bar dot dot dot, you can see that the CGI need this context. You see? And the where up is not. Also, the hello neither. If you do the restore com -rvvv for verbose bar on dot dot dot, you don't see any change. So you need to manage, right? F context -a -t is right here. You need to figure out it's right there, and then you go to bar dot 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 where up, right? Open. It's like this, oh, like this. If you don't remember this regular expression, you open a new terminal, you do you can do this man cmanage -f context. Go to the very end and you can see the syntax. See, the only change is the type, right? The context type, but it looks right. Okay, close. Oh no, let me not close, let me go down, hit enter. Just wait. It's really fast. And now if you do the restore com, you can see the change. You see, it changed to from here to here. See, now I double check now. It's right. See, if you check the directory, also the directory. Okay, that's it. No more. You don't need to do nothing else. Now just restart the Apache server. Oh, it says CGI, right? I got this on, yeah, I checked that I have this on my XC host file. There we go, CGI example.com. Okay, going to system, ctl, restart, HTTPD. It's gonna take a while because I don't know what's wrong with my Apache server. But here I'm going to close a few tabs that we test before, you know, as a virtual host 2, 3, 4, the 4 on different ports, right? Let me check. Yeah, we see in different ports. And I will keep the secret one. I want to close the secret one also. Okay, just wait. I want to keep open the manual and also the sample. Like if you hit something that is not defined on a virtual host, it's gonna load the default web server. This default web server is right here. Let me show you. It may cut the file. Is on data default. There you go. Default web server. See? Okay. Let me close. Okay, Apache is done. Let me refresh this. It's working. Let me do the cgi.sample.com default web server. Why? Because I don't specify the port name. So now when I go back and say okay, port right 3388 and see what happens. If something fails, we are going to troubleshoot. No, it's fine because the configuration file is right. You see, it's nothing. It's very clear. Also, we don't need the option exec CGI. If you see my note, say yes or not. In that case, not. We don't need it. So that works. Okay. And now let's try another thing. Let me copy this. Okay. The O3 is not here on my node, but I'm going to show you because we have time. Copy this to, I'm going to change the name, the number 4. I'm going to edit the file. I'm going to change the port. Insert 99. Okay. I'm going to say 99. I'm going to, I remove something else. Okay, here we go. I'm going to say where up and 00, okay, CGI 00 Oh, you say, yeah, it's an alias, so it doesn't matter. We can remove the dot dot dot. It's just an alias that I'm gonna remove it. It's no hurt. Here I wanna say 00. Okay, I wanna save the same script. I wanna keep the same script. Okay, different log file. Okay, different folder. Okay, there you go. Now let's bin the O3 to be consistent. I'm going to remove this also. Okay. Okay, but now the script. Okay, now right there. The script. Okay, I'm going to create further directory, but I'm going to waste time. You know how to create it, how to apply the context. So, well, let's do it. Make dir is on bar. Oh, sorry, is on bar. Where up 00, right? I'm going to do a manage. There you go. This is my history. I'm gonna say 00. Oh, 00. Okay. It takes time. I'm going to copy the where up hello to the 00, right? Now when I check this, it's right there. When I check the context file, it's, you see, it's different. Alright. Now, why is different? Because I don't restore the context yet. See, different. I'm going to do the restore con -r v blah blah. I'm going to do on this one. Boom. Now when you check, it's changed. And when you check the other one, it's checked. But also I want to make another change on the configuration file. I want to say like a script gonna be when I type the root directory. It's gonna be on. Oh, sorry. Where I type. Okay. When I insert, it's gonna be web. See, web app 00. Okay, and I don't need to specify the whole path to the script. See, I don't need to. Okay, webmaster gonna be CGI insert 00. Sorry, yeah, 00. Everything 00, but it's gonna be CGI 00 and where up. Okay. Okay, looks good. Let me find the line for the port, right? R3399. Kaboom. Okay, it takes time. Now let's do another one thing. I'm going to add this, right? Copy to my exe host, to my host file. Chief 8 okay, now we got this. Okay, every time that I hit ping to that one, I'm gonna return my API. Okay, what is next? Okay, we need to bounce the Apache. Oh, come on, I need a cat of 4 to see the configuration. Going to system ctl restart HTTPD. See what happens. So I'm gonna load different port. Okay, let me open this to. I'm gonna say here gonna be CGI. I don't see it very well. Okay, much better. CGI 00, right? That sample.com. Okay, we wait 1 moment until the Apache restart complete. It takes time, blah. Come on. It's taking too much time. I don't know why. Anyway, we don't make nothing different. Okay, restart. Going to hit enter. Default web browser. That's right. If I hit like a 3388, hello CGI. Why? If I put 00 and load the other CGI. Oh, let me 1 second. Let me do something. Bin bar where up 00, right? It's a hello. Okay, I'm gonna say insert dash web app 00 to make a difference, right? Let me see if the change goes here. Still showing the CGI, but it's an example. Okay, go back to 99 welcome page, but I need to specify the script alias. So dot right web app 00. Oh, forbidden. See, affirmation denied. Why? Let's check the permissions. So ls-l looks right. Looks right, but there's something missing over here, I think. Just double check now. This is the hard part, troubleshoot. This is the hard part. Okay, I think that now we need the lines options script. This option now. Now we need it. So because some insert shift B enter. Now we need it to execute that one on that web app 0. Let's change. I'm going to change the alias to different. I want to say web app. It's more. No, let's change it. Web app. Okay. I'm going to say web app 00. Yeah, web app 00. Okay, I want to keep on that way, but the alias I want to change this. The server name, also the alias. Okay, now I need to let me change the webmaster to web app. And now what I need to change now? Oh, web app, right? Then the exe, the host file. When I say shift A, gonna be web app, right? I'm gonna ping the web app.sample.com just in case it's working. Yeah, nice. Going to restart Apache. This is the hard part, troubleshooting, especially when I do a different sample inside the first one. So okay, say okay, I put like, oh, I don't remember now. It's yeah, web app 3399 web app 00 is the alias. Okay, if I hit enter, it's gonna load because it's starting Apache now. I just want, let me right click this, let me cut the file to double check. You see any error? Yeah, using the same log file, we can check this if you want. You can do a tail-f and you can tell the logs. See? You see? Say web app 00. Something's missing, something 403. So there's something wrong on this. Web app 00 Apache. Okay, let's just check here. What are you doing wrong? Okay, port 3399. Okay, see manage port -l grep for HTTP 3399. Okay, this is correct. The CGI have let me check the permission of the CGI. So bar no, let me cd on that directory bar dot just checking the permission. We're up 00 is right. Okay, it's read by everyone. I'm going to wear up 00. Okay, looks good. Yep. Yeah, I think we need a we need this. I think RHCE HTTPD conf.d 04. I think we need to specify the script alias. Insert, gonna say hello.pl. Okay, gonna restart again Apache. Now we are watching the logs, and also we are opening the console. So it's something that permission deny. It's weird, but we can see now. If I load, okay, yeah, I know. What this say? The CGI. It doesn't say nothing about that you need to. Oh, I think I got it. I don't close the script alias, the slash. Probably this is the problem, but we don't know yet, so we need to wait until this finish and we can test. Okay, let's wait. But at least okay, it's done. Here we go, works. We're up 00. Okay, now but at least you know how to do the CGI, but I'm going to test this again with closing this, insert, because I'm going to remove this. Let me do one thing first. I'm going to open it again. I'm going to copy the line, right? I'm going to comment this line, and now I'm going to put this. I'm going to remove the PL. Just in case for your record, you can see now the both ways. You see the right one and the one that doesn't work and everything. This is the config file. Let me restart Apache, and now let's wait. And after this, we finish this video. On the next video, we are going to show you how to deploy a Wsgi. It's a different one that need extra steps. Just install one package before, but the syntax is pretty much the same. But I'm very happy to explain this with you. So let me keep this open. Let me wait until this finish and see if this, when I switch this line, works. You can do this. You can add the option exec CGI, because sometimes works, you see, but maybe it's required, because you see here on the Apache is done. On the CGI config, it doesn't say nothing about this. You see a script alias, nothing more. Okay, let's reload the page. Forbidden. So looks like it can read we need to specify the path to the CGI, to the script. See? Or also you can check if we add something like, oh sorry, there's another way, so don't be frustrated. You can add here a plus sign, okay? as the manual page say, just a plus sign, see, and you can keep everything on the same way, this and this. Okay, now try and quick, going to cut the file to show you, and now going to bounce again. If I got the same error now, I will conclude the video because I think I will cover the thing that we need to know. And when we do this, when we do this, it works very well. Now I'm trying to do it without specifying the script alias, and also I add this line plus a CGI option. So I will test. If it doesn't work, it's fine, because now we cover and we know how to do it. Because remember, we saw the different, we saw this one also, the Wsgi HTTP conf the O3. Okay, we saw this and works very well without the options is a CGI. Okay, we are not to do now we are trying to do it using a folder. When you search for the folder, they're going to execute the CGI. Let's see. I got the same thing, permission denied. So don't worry about that. It's not a big deal. So if something goes wrong like this, you have a chance to test it. This is the good thing. So I want to do it that way. See, I want to keep everything right and quick. I'm going to restart, and everything gonna work very well. Also here now, okay, if you see the O4, right? I keep this line. See, I keep this line, and now you will see. And I remove the other. I specified the full path for the CGI. Yeah, it's a better way. I don't know. Sometimes it works well, sometimes not. But on the SAM, you don't need to troubleshoot or on this, because it's gonna be very, very straightforward. Okay, so in that case you don't need to, I have problem here, if it showed me on the wrong way. No, this is the wrong way. Specify the full path of the CGI script, and you can set as put on the root directory or not. See, now it works. So I hope that this helped you a lot, and see you on the next video.